Hello again and welcome to Ndudu by Fafa.
Hello family. Okay, today I'm sharing my chicken skewers recipe. It's not any other chicken skewers. I'll be using the chicken thighs and drumsticks because I think that is the best part of a chicken. Texture, absolutely, and it absorbs flavor just so. So anyway, I've got my chicken legs here and I've got 3 here, and I did marinate it in some lemon juice, and that was in the refrigerator for at least about 2 hours. Now what I'm doing is just peeling the skin off the legs because of course I do not need them, but I will use them still for another recipe because, of course, there's no waste in this kitchen. If you've been following me for a while, you know that's my motto. And also, if this is your first time, you're welcome. Thank you ever so much for tuning in. Now, let's go on a journey of flavors. Notification gang, how you all doing? And to all my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you. So as you can tell, I'm definitely, using that lemon and rubbing this chicken beautifully. Now, the next thing I need to do is take the meat off the bone. Yet again, I'm not going to throw that bone away. It is going to come in handy because, of course, as I mentioned, I'll use it in another recipe. After taking as much meat as I can take off the bones of the chicken legs, I'm now going to be cutting this into sizable chunks. And I need them this size because I need it to cook quickly as well. Now, bearing in mind, this has been marinated already in some lemon juice. So here I've got my chicken in a bowl and I'm drizzling it with a herbaceous olive oil. Now, this is where my spice blends, which are available on buyindudu.com, come into being. So I'll be using the Edzè. The Edzè has things like sumac, adjun seeds. It mimics the flavor of salt without adding salt, yes. So if you're on a low sodium diet, that is a must try for you. And here I'm just drizzling this beauty over the chicken. My next spice blend is the Xorla barbecue rub, which has that distinctive nutty West African barbecue rub base. Yes, and it pairs really well with the Edzè. Yes, now also with the Edzè, by using it, it means that you end up using less salt. Absolutely. So all in all, is a healthy meal for you to enjoy. And this was my lunch, absolutely. So it's just that versatility of the spice blends, but also the ease of creating an amazing dish on a whim. So here, of course, I'm mixing everything together, just making sure that every cubed chicken is actually infused with the flavors. Yeah. The beauty about this recipe is at this stage, you can freeze the chicken cubes. So as and when you're ready, you can defrost it and then you can proceed. But of course, naturally, once you're ready, allow this to marinate in the fridge for another hour. But better still is something you can do the night before and leave in the fridge. So as and when you're ready, you can then go ahead. Of course, don't forget to soak your skewers in water. The reason being, when you're barbecuing, let's say, for example, or you place it in the oven to grill, that these sticks do not burn. Yes. Now that looks good. I've inserted the skewers into the chicken cubes, marinated it in the fridge for a minimum of an hour. So I can look forward to lunch, This is an exciting part. Here I'm using my griddle pan, which is on high heat for at least about 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, I decided to also griddle some onions and half a lemon because, yes, that's going to be flavor packed. The onions are just going to add that sweetness and smokiness as well to the dish. So naturally, I'm plating my chicken skewers in the griddle pan on that high heat. And yes, we are in business. At this point, you know what? I just love the aroma that, permeates through the kitchen. And definitely a must try. You need to grab some of these spice blends. Yes, because the beauty about them is you can mix and match them to create new flavors. So, yes, if you're creative and you like and love fusion cooking, then yes, it's definitely for you. So, here is my beauty. I'm going to allow this to, griddle for about 4 minutes on each side. Yes. After 4 minutes cooking on one side, I've turned it over. And at this point, I'm drizzling some of the Xorla barbecue rub. And this is where the magic begins because it infuses that smokiness into the chicken. But at this point, my fire alarm decided to talk. Yes. Yes, the extractor fan was on, but that smokiness was another level. So, yes, just ensure you take all your necessary precautions, or better still, use your barbecue. But yeah, look at this. It's dark, it's rich, it's beautiful. And yeah, please, just make sure that you can use a tongue in doing so. This is like me just showing that sort of like the mama African touch, like we use our fingers and touching these things. When you've been taught how to cook, and yeah, I did that. Yes, but please don't follow. It's not everything you have to follow. There's certain things that you just got to apply that precaution. But then again, it's exciting doing that. And So once again, I've just drizzled it with a little bit of the Xorla barbecue rub, yes. And then I made some pickled cucumber that came through, it had to represent. So yes, it's going to give it that refreshing flavor. The onions just going to be nice, sweet and smoky. Then of course, I've got the griddled lemon that I can squeeze that lemon juice over this beauty. My lunch was good. Easy to make, versatile, incredible. Tangy, smoky, nutty, usaden, abanuka, okemini. Now, I have also uploaded the seafood paella recipe and also this beautiful roast red pepper abum, including this incredible juicy prawn stir fry. You need to check those recipes out. I'll leave links in the description box. Now, you can find all my spice blends and more. There are lots of exciting things on my website by Ndudu.com. Grab yourself something great and treat yourself to it. Now, you will find traditional African recipes on my blog, indudubaifafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok as Indudubaifafa, so pass by and say hi. Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. And until my next recipe with you kings and queens and beautiful people, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, be gorgeous, and guess what? I love you for you. Thank you very much for watching, and toodles. Me love you.